Very good morning, students. And today I am starting with the logical operators also can be used with the string. I am continue with the string and how we can compare comparison with the logical operator with the string. We can apply comparison operators like a double equal, this is for equality, not equal, explanation symbol or equal, this is for not, greater than, less than, greater than equal, less than equal. These comparison operator we can use with the string. So comparison will be character by character, one character by character with the comparison. So here the example, str1 equal program. Now str2 equal Python. In a first string 1 it is written a program, string 2 it is written a Python. Now string 3 equal Python. See here Python is written in a small, here Python is written with the capital, first letter as a capital. So both will be treated as a different because Python is a case sensitive, that you know. Case sensitive means once you are writing in a small, that will be used only in a small case. If you are writing with the capital any string, that must be written in a capital only. So both will be different. So here I am giving the example, str equal str2. So what is the str1 or str2 is a equal? No, because here it is written as a program, here it is written as a Python. So both will be treated as a different, so it will display false. So I am sharing a screen with the Python screen. I am showing here. See, I am opening a Python screen. So here I am writing str equal. So you have to make this program, and this is a one statement. So wait for a minute. This double quotation I have to use a say. And again I am using this str2 equal. I am writing as a Python. So this is a one, and this is a another one. This is written as a capital. This is written in a. So this is another string. I am writing this is another string 1, string 2, string 3. See the 3 are here is a program. Now this is a program, another Python in a small case, in a Python P is a capital. Now I am writing str1 equal str2. Is str1 is a equal to str2? No, it is incorrect. So it will display false. I am comparing with the again str2 with the str3. str2 with the 3. Both are written in a Python, but one is a capital, another is a small. So both will be also treated as a different. So that's why it is showing false. See, I am changing again. This Python str2 I am changing with the capital. So now I am comparing with this str2 with the str3, so it will display true. Why it is? Because both Python in a str2 and Python is a str2, both are equal. So this comparison equal operator we can use, and if I am comparing with this one str2 not equal, I am writing here not, which is not for a explanation symbol. This one not equal str2, it will display true because both are not equal. It is correct, so it will display true. So you can compare with the again greater than, you can apply with the greater than. This is a, it will check the character by character. If I am applying with the greater than str2, it is true because how many characters in this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In this only 6. So in this first str1 there is a 7 character, in a str2 there is a 5 character, so it is a greater than str2. It is correct. Now again I am comparing with the less than. str1 is a less than str2, no, it is incorrect, it will display false. So all comparison operator we can use with the string also. This I am using with the greater than equal. I am using greater than equal operator, so it will display true. Greater than, if it is not greater than it is equal to str3, so it will display true. So comparison operator also we can apply with the string functions. So characters we can use as a to Z capital. These are a ASCII code or ordinal value of its is a 65 to 90. A to Z, Z is a 90. A is a 65, Z is a 90. Now we'll talk about the small a to Z. Small a, it is a 97, small z, 9, that is a 122. And we'll talk about the numbers 0 to 9. So 0 is a 48 and 9 is a 57. These ASCII code. What is ASCII code? This is the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Now this is a determining ordinal Unicode, a single operator, ordinal ASCII code, to search the ASCII code of the given character. So Python allow us to find out of the ordinal position single character using a ORD function. We can use a ORD function. If we are writing ORD with the capital A, it will display 65. What is the ASCII value of capital A? That is a 65. Accordingly, similarly, you have to increase the character till Z. So 90 is a Z, capital Z. So we can also find the character based on the ordinal value with the char, CHR. If you are writing CHR with the ordinal value, so that will display the respective character of the that with the number. So I am showing you practical of this. So I am resetting the cell. So here I am writing ORD. Now I am writing 65. So it will display capital A, because before this we have to use a string function ORD, and this should be I'm writing ORD with the capital A. What it will display? It will display value 65, not a ORD with the 65. We have to write a CHR with the, if we are writing a 65, that will display A. See, ORD with the value it will not accept, that's why it is showing error. If ORD with the capital A I am writing, the value will be displayed. So see here, ORD with the I am writing D, capital D. So it will display the, okay, I have not completed it, that's why it is showing error. ORD I have to write D. So it will display 68. Similarly, if I am writing CHR with the 68, so it will display the respective character of the that ASCII value D. So you can try all these commands. Now, string slices. String slices means any character which we are inputting in as a string, that is a sequence of character. So as we know, slice means part of the string. So slicing is the process of the extracting part of the string. In a previous chapter, we already discussed the string character have their unique index position from 0. What is the index position of the string? That beginning with the 0, and second character of the string will be in a first position. And last, length minus 1, and minus 1 to a minus from last, that is a negative value backward. Forward index beginning with the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever your character length, this is called forward index or positive index. And negative index, that means backward index beginning with the 0. You have to see from the right to left. Positive index you have to count as a left to right, and negative index you have to count as a right to left. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Similarly, it will go to the last in a negative all numbers. So these can be slices. Slice means from the whole string, you can retrieve the particular character, one part. So that is called slice. So here I have written a str1 equal wonderful. From this string I want to retrieve a str1 0 colon 6. What it will display? Wonder 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See 0, 1, how many characters? 6. Total 6. How many? It is wonder. Till wonder all the character will be displayed. Beginning with the 0th position. If you are writing here 1, so it will start with the O. So I am showing you practical of this also. So I am writing str. So str1 equal, I have written this string, I have written here, wonderful. So I am writing str1, I am writing here 0 colon 6. What it will print? You have to put a square bracket. See, wonder will be print. How many characters are in a wonder? 6 characters. So same thing I am repeating again, that 0 beginning with the 2, total character are 6, 2 numbers will be from starting, this 2, WO will be removed, then other 4 will be displayed. See here, and DER. So total limit of string is a 6. This wonder. Total limit of this is a 6. Two beginning 2 characters after second position, I have to retrieve a 4 string. How many are left after second position? 4 are left. So I am retrieving 4 characters from here. If you are changing this with the -6, so what happens? This is a negative value, error will be displayed. So first is a negative, first is a positive, second is a negative. It will not accept. I am putting here negative also. So both will be negative because 6 is a last. So here I am changing this with the -6. So what happened? Which value will be retrieved? So -6, but operator I have given a wrong. See, D. From wonder, what is the position of wonder? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus, from here it is a negative value. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, 5, -6. 6, D in a 6 position. If you are trying this, -2, -6 colon -2. See, from wonder, -2, -3. DERF, DERF. So first, beginning and last 2 characters will be removed. Total limit is a 6. Out of 2 from last to second position, after second position, how many characters are left? 4 characters are left. So it will display like this. So you can make your string slices. So particular part from a string you can retrieve. So here str wonderful, if you are writing a 6, wonder will be display str1 0 colon 3 means WO and will be first 3 characters will be retrieved. And if you are writing 3 colon 6 means total character are 6. After third position, 3 are left. So after third position, how many characters are left? 3. 3 will be displayed. So this I am showing in a negative str1 -1 colon -3. So what is the -1 from this? This will be total 3, and the what is the -1? This will be colon, will be displayed. And str1 -3 -1 fu means fu after -1. What is the 2 characters? Fu will be displayed. And this 0 zeroth position, this double quotation is there, and here str1 0 2 times colon 2 means two character will be skipped. See, first W will be print, after O will be skipped and N will be print, and D will be skipped, E will be print. Now R will be skipped, F will be print. Now U will be skipped and L will be print. In between one character you have to skip, means from second position you have to remove from a string, and after the second position that will be displayed. So here str3 colon 3 means after 3 position, that is a double quotation will be displayed, and str3 colon 4 means after third, what is the fourth position, one is left, that is a D will be printed, and this is a minus negative, this will be ERF, wonderful, ERF, three characters, this will be print, and in this colon minus 2 means last two characters will be removed, till F it will be print. Now this is a str1 colon 4 means total 4, so W, O and D from beginning 4 characters will be print. Now str1 minus 3 colon means full, these are a minus 3 will be printed. So you can try all these for a practical. In next class we'll discuss more function of the string.